Hey there, everyone! Welcome to my channel, where we work together to boost our productivity and get the most out of our study sessions. Today, I'm going to give you a quick tour of my desk setup, which is designed to help me stay focused, organized, and motivated. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more amazing content like this. Alright, let's dive in. Here's my desk, where I spend most of my time studying and creating videos for all of you. Remember, a well-organized and inviting study area can make all the difference when it comes to productivity. You enjoyed this video and found some inspiration for your own study space. To keep me inspired and motivated, I've decorated my desk. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends who might find it helpful. And be sure to leave a comment below if you have any questions or want to share your own desk setup. Happy studying, everyone! And remember, we're in this together.